Hey guys, it's Hacking Nation. I've been off YouTube because I wanted to get better and learn more about code. I've been learning Python for the past 2 years. I wrote my own tools, and I wanted you guys to check it out and tell me what do you think. So the first tool called Capslock, it's an advanced Python keylogger. It has features like special symbols keylogging, supports the Capslock and Backspace key. It has an active window feature that tells you the current active window, and the best part, it supports mouse clicks.